Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2024-2025 Outdoors Titanium Series travel trailer. And the customer went ahead and elected to have us go ahead and do what we call a full exterior body reseal. This is a water deflection service. In the previous video, what you have seen is all the putty was bleeding out of these front moldings. And even though Outdoors RV does a great job of resealing stuff, there was still a lot of hidden areas that hadn't had any sealant on there. And then after the time frame, it just developed, cracks and things shrunk and dried out. And so basically it was due. So Dave went around and resealed like all the moldings, all the side seams of the slide out, around all the windows where he could, behind it and up top. Some of these windows are open, some of them are fixed areas. He went around and sealed all the body lighting joints, around the fender skirts. And you can see, go close up in here, you can see where he, attention to detail getting in there. Went ahead and sealed all of the, items on the coach, whether you use clear or black on there. Same thing with the back, he'll see where he transitioned from black right here to clear up here, and went and resealed all those, sealed underneath all the moldings and all the drain gutter caps. Got around all the tail lights, side moldings. The noise that you're hearing in the background is one of the guys that's working on a front cap on the other side. He's actually buffing off the decals. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know that this is a service that we provide. Again, it's for a water deflection, and it's to help prevent water from getting behind moldings for things that you can't see. This model number actually is a 21 RBS, and it's a Creekside by Outdoors RV. And again, it's the Titanium series. So if you're interested in more information, we would recommend that you check out some of our other videos or articles. We have a playlist on our YouTube site that actually shows us how to, from the tools we use to the caulking guns we use to the different sealants that we use and the different brands, and then why we're doing that. This window also was just replaced because it was cracked. And again, I want to show you that, he put clear silicone around the window itself to prevent any water, because it's just sandwiched in place with either a bulb seal or putty tape behind it. But everything on the unit that we could possibly get sealed up is sealed up so that it has some type of water deflection. So, all right, well, hey everybody, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't joined our Outdoors RV group, we encourage you to do so. If you've worked on stuff yourself or you have your own problems, upgrades, or projects, we ask that you go ahead and share those in that group so it helps others as well as mobile guys, and it helps the dealerships, and it also helps the manufacturers. So thanks again for watching. This is Dustin, your RV specialist.